Boot is on the other foot. Boot is on the other foot. Americans say shoe is on the other foot. Shoe is on the other foot. It is an idiom. It means the situation is the opposite of what it was earlier. The tables have turned. That is, if you say the boot is on the other foot, you mean that a situation has been reversed completely. So that the person who was in the better position before is now in the worst position. So worst state. So entirely reversed. When something entirely reversed, when something is completely opposite, then we say boot is on the other foot. Let us see it in the examples. The first one, when they were children, they did what we told them to. The boot is on the other foot now. Now they are not doing whatever we are telling them to do because they are grown up. That's the reason the boot is on the other foot now. Second one, I can see that you don't like being told what to do, but now the boot is on the other foot. I know you don't like whatever I tell, but you have to listen because the situation is worse, reversed. When everything is good, that's fine, but now entirely different, you have to listen. That's the reason now the boot is on the other foot. Third one, the Americans are realizing that they can't get other countries to do what they want them to. The boot is on the other foot now. So Americans slowly realizing that other countries are not doing whatever they wanted them to do because they are also becoming rich, self-sufficient. That's the reason the boot is on the other foot now. Fourth one, she used to be the one who had to obey orders, but the boot is on the other foot. Now she has been promoted. So earlier she worked under me, she used to obey all the orders. Now she is not obeying because she is promoted. Now the boot is on the other foot. Fifth one, I was one of his research assistants, subject to his orders. But now that I am his department head, the shoe is on the other foot. So I was his research assistant, then I obeyed all his orders. Now I am the head of the department. Now the entire thing changed. That's the reason the shoe is on the other foot. So when we look at the origin of this idiom, boot is on the other foot. Nowadays, when we buy a pair of shoes or boots, we know which one is to be worn on the left foot and which is to be worn on the right. But before the 18th century, however, the idea of having a shoe specially designed for a particular foot did not exist. The shoe or boots made in those days were designed to fit either foot. You could wear the same boot on your left or right leg. The shoe that you chose to wear on your left foot yesterday may be on your other foot, that is on your right today. So this is how this idiom has come into existence. Boot is on the other foot means the situation has been reversed completely, changed. When situation becomes opposite, then the boot is on the other foot.